Hi ladies, I know it's been a long time since I've come on and showed you some of our new exclusives, but I've got a backlog of them here to show you, and just wanted to briefly tell you what I have and the sizes. I hope to post some, do a picture drop of them with the exact sizes that I have currently next week sometime. But let me know if you see something you like, let me know, and I'll try and tell you about the sizes I have, but message me if you see something you really like. So to start, actually, I'm going to start with the Flexi of the month, which actually isn't an exclusive, but part of it is sold out already. It is a unicorn, okay? We've had a request for unicorns. I don't know if you can see that. So pretty. There's a gemstone down here in the main part. This little horn is right there at the point. But I have those in silver from mini to small, so mini, extra small, and small. The rose gold sold out like that, so I don't have any of the rose gold. They also are available in our U-pins. So see, I know the lighting is just terrible here. If I get close enough sometimes. There you go. You see it? Well, the picture drop will be better. I know the lighting I struggle with showing some of the detail on them, but really pretty, simple, but with a rhinestone in the center, like down the mane of the unicorn. So those are, the U-pins are sold out. I have a couple sets here, and I have silver left in the unicorn in mini through small, if you're interested in that. Then I have, so the rest of these will be exclusive, I believe. So that was the Flexi of the month, and those are available until they sell out online too. So I have, these are the dogwood. Now we had dogwood with the gold finish and like an off-white or a cream center, and they're some of my favorite clips, and I probably will put these in because I think you'll be able to see them better. Oh, and I have this is a lazy wrap bun. I just did a tutorial for this. It's probably my new favorite bun. I love the Celtic knot bun, but this is probably my new favorite. It's just real simple, sleek, elegant looking, and so easy to do. So be watching for that tutorial, or actually it should be down below, so you can just scroll down and find that tutorial for the lazy wrap bun if you're interested. And I never thought I could do it because it's usually, you see people doing it with really long hair, but I was able to do it with my length hair. So that will work for you, I'm sure. So I'm going to show you these dogwood U-pins with the silver finish and more of a white center than the other ones we carry. Now these are exclusive, though other ones are still available with the gold finish. But you just catch the edge. I'll show you a French twist. Grab hair from the outside and slide it in. Okay, all there is to it. So comfortable, all day hold, and just really pretty, elegant. These are beautiful for a wedding, although I would wear these with jeans and anything. I just love them. And you can always wear flowers in your hair. So those are the dogwood U-pins. I have 2 sets of those available. Now this is an older one that I still have, but I know some people are huge dragon fans, and I still have a couple of the dragon in extra small through medium. So, and it's really a pretty dragon design. So I know the Game of Thrones fans love the dragons, and Lord of the Rings, and I also have 1 set of U-pins left. So I wanted to make sure that some people were new and haven't seen these, so I thought I'd bring those back on. All right, I'm gonna put these where I can separate it out. Okay, and I still have 1 set of the elephant U-pins in bronze. Okay, so 1 of those left. All right, then these are new, and they're kind of a different scroll work heart, real simple design. The center heart has kind of etching on it, so there is some detail there. But a set of U-pins there in all silver. Those are just basic, look great in buns and twists. So I have 1 set of those. Now this, and I should have brought a plain black stick because that's what I would wear with this one. This is a new exclusive leather, and you can see the kind of Aztec-y design. You see that? I really like the simple, if you like black and silver, this is a basic design that anybody can wear. Almost looks like there's a horseshoe in the center. Actually, there is a horseshoe in the center, but you really can't. Let's see if you can see that. I guess you can. But it's a real simple silver design, so if you wear black a lot and just want something sleek, you could use it with a simple black hair stick. So that's how I would do that. We have this one that I have in extra small and small. I don't think I have any mini. It's just a simple diamond shape, just a kind of etched raised up there. You can see that design, just a real simple silver. Goes with everything. So I have those in multiple sizes from extra small and small, multiple ones of those. Then I still have a few of this one that was really popular. It's the moon with the dangle. You can see the star dangles, and it's got the crystal clear beading. So again, it's going to go with everything, and I just really like this clip with the moon and the star. So you'll have to message me on that. I have several of those, but in different sizes, so not a lot of each size. Oh, here's one of the bigger ones. So there's a medium. So you can see a little bigger. Alrighty. Then any beekeepers out there, we have a new bumblebee. Well, this was an exclusive again, so it's not available online. We've had a bee before with a little dangle and the honey drop that was really cute, but this is just a simple silver bee, and I really like that. So any honey people out there, let me know. I have one of those. I think I only have the one, and it is a small, which most people can do. Then I have the cactus, the turquoise cactus. I love this one. And then it's got the rhinestone down here, almost like spurs. It looks like there's a spur almost, if you can see that. Really cute, but the turquoise stands out so pretty in hair. I just love this clip in just about any shade of hair. And I have those available in extra small and small. So those are available for the cactus. Then I have palm trees, which are one of our latest exclusives. So real pretty, simple. The beading is, it's almost like a sand colored crystal. Really pretty. It will go with everything. It's not anything that's gonna, stand out. I don't know if you can appreciate that, but a real pretty palm tree with a stone in the center. Really like those, and I have those in extra small, extra small, small, and medium. I have about 2 of each of those. So I haven't shown those before. And then for those of you who like to go out shooting on the gun range, we got some fun clips. They're called Annie for Annie Oakley. I thought they were cute though, for pistols. And then the U-pins are real tiny. So if you need tiny U-pins, there you go. So I really like those, but those are called Annie, and I have just a couple of those. I don't have a ton, but I've got all sizes just about, except for mini. I don't have mini in those. So if you're interested in any of those, let me know. The big news is that I should have shared this in the beginning because I hope I haven't lost people, is that I'm hosting along with some other Lilla Rose stylists, it's basically like an all things Lilla Rose event, but it's a summer, Christmas in July event where we are going to provide tutorials. It's not selling. You won't be able to purchase through this event. But we're gonna show you hairstyles. I have over 10 different ways to do ponytails that I personally will be doing a video on, and fashion trends and incorporating Lilla Rose and kind of what's happening and some of the more common. I'm not one of these Paris walkway, runway kind of people. So it's not those kind of trends, but things that most people would be comfortable wearing, but that are in style that you can take advantage of and maybe even incorporate Lilla Rose into some of them. So I will be doing those 2 videos. There's going to be videos about lots of ways to use your flexi, U-pin, swerves. There'll be a couple customer testimonies, but I would love for you guys to be able to come. And the big thing is that there's a giveaway with every tutorial video there is. And there's going to be 4 posts a day. Most of them are going to be tutorials, so you'll have lots of opportunity to have a chance to win some free Lilla Rose from either myself or another stylist. It'll be interactive. You just answer a question after you watch the video. So I encourage you guys to get involved in that. I will be posting the link here or invites, but you can message me if you know already, oh, I want to do that. It's going to be next week. There's going to be an early bird post with an early bird entry. If you get in there early enough and are in there before the event actually starts, you get an entry into the drawing by just telling them I'm your stylist. And then there will be posts. The 4 posts a day will be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then there'll be an encore on Friday for the grand prize if you want to stick around for that. But there will be giveaways, multiple giveaways every day. So I hope you guys will take advantage of it. I wish I had mentioned that first. But please do let me know if you're interested in doing that. Again, it's July 9th, 10th. Oh, hang on one second, I'll tell you. I'm nuts, I should have had that. July 8th is the early bird post. So, but basically 9th, 10th, and 11th of July. So let me know if you're interested in that, and I would love to have you join us. So I hope to see you there. If you have any questions or want to see any of these in person or up close, I can send better pictures. But I will be doing a picture drop probably next week sometime. So hope you guys have a great evening. Sorry it's been so long since I've been on here to share, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye.